What is up, guys? Back again with another video. Gonna try to make this one a lot less talky than the last one. Yeah, we're doing Optic, 2018 Optic here. First break of the day, we did 2018 Clearly Authentic and hit ourselves a nice Austin Meadows. So let's see what we can get out of here. Austin Meadows number to 10, no less. I don't know why I thought the purples were numbered higher than that. Maybe because in the actual chrome set they are. I don't know. There's Ohtani on card autos in here. There's hot boxes with 5 autographs. There's hot boxes with 20 numbered cards. So that's a numbered card per pack. Optic's a fun product. And I bashed it in the last video. I'm going to bash it again. I think Panini does a better job with Optic than Topps does with Chrome. I think the only reason that we as collectors favor Chrome is because Topps has that license. And honestly, I liked the way Topps did football better than the way I like Panini doing football. So to me, they do better at the ones that they don't have the license to. Maybe they work harder. I don't know. If this is the normal box and not a hot box, we're looking for 2 autographs. Ohtani has autographs in here. Acuna, I believe, has autographs in here, but I could be wrong. Nolan Ryan. Corey Kluber. That's a nice one. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Red. That's numbered to 99. And we will certainly take that. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Man, he has autos in this stuff too. That would be a sweet hit. That's a cool card. And Andrew McCutchen was the last card to round out the pack. I'm going to try to not make this like a 30-minute video, but I am also trying to enjoy myself, so I apologize if it is super long. Feels good to be back to breaking. Joe Morgan, Tony Gwynn, looking back, Reggie Jackson, and Aaron Judge. I'm sorry, I didn't even see the second person there. Adrian Beltre. I did not like Donruss, the regular, this year. There's too many just god-awful names in there. And again, I'm not a guy who thinks you have to hit it big in every box, because I do understand that if that was the case, these boxes would be even more expensive. But you got to give me, I hit a Trace Thompson jersey autograph in 2018. Come on. George Springer. Nice refractor of Trout. And Miggy. Really happy with that Vlad Guerrero. His stuff is absolutely flaming hot. He's going to be a good player. Just like his daddy. Bryce Harper, where will he end up? Kutch, that's a short print. Nicky Dubs. Harrison Bader, so I believe these are both short prints. Francisco Lindor, Chris Archer, that's cool. Out of This World, Ohtani, and Mookie Betts. I don't really put much stock in the nickname SPs because they're pretty common, but they're cool. I like that they kind of added some stuff here. Frank Thomas, Ryan Braun, Harrison Bader refractor, and Walker Buehler rated rookie. I really wish they had multiple companies with all I do in these videos is complain. Whatever. I really wish they had multiple people with the license. Again, these cards would look so nice in their uniforms. Garrett Cole, Brian Dozier, rated rookie of Victor Robles. And Ryan Braun, my least favorite player in the world. Odubel Herrera, Jose Altuve, Rafi Big Stick, only because his Devers were put into the side, and J.P. Crawford. trouble. Okay. Let's see if it was worth the trouble. Yachty, John Gray, Andrew McCutcheon Refractor, and a Rizzo Diamond Kings. We'll take that. Hate the way they did the Diamond Kings. I'm complaining again this year. They look kind of cartoony to me. I really liked that subset 2 years ago. Or sorry, in 2017, so I guess last year. But not a huge fan of it this time around. Mickey Mantle. Adrian Beltre. Looks like we have a blue. Greg Allen. And that's cool. Blue Reggie Jackson. Numbered to 299. A couple of good numbered cards in this one. Charlie Blackmon. All-Stars, New York, Gary Sanchez. Koch, a Refractor, and Dustin Fowler. I do think the Diamond Kings look better, though, chromed. I really hated the base ones this year. I really did. And it's sad because it was one of my favorite subsets of any product in 2017 was the Donruss Optic Diamond Kings. Nolan Arenado, Trey Turner, Walker Buehler, and Hosmer. Walker Buehler, he's in everything this year, isn't he? Not a bad player to get, though. It's going to be better than people think. Although there's a lot of people who think he's going to be very good. Manny Margot, Belly, Greinke, and Tyler O'Neill. So we are still waiting on our 2 autographs, and we are down to the final 6 or 7 packs here. I don't know if they're flipped backwards. If they are, I'm going to save them. If they're not, then I'm not going to bother. Freddie Freeman, Belly, Stanton, Odubel Herrera, I'm going to go the Dogs. Right on cue. Looks like we got a red in here, which we now know is number 99. Josh Bell, Gene Segura, Jose Altuve, very off-centered red. Numbered 73 of 99. And Rafael Devers. Okay, so this one's backwards. So we're going to save it, and it's green or teal, one of the two. That's cool. And get ourselves a numbered autograph. Wait, in a box of this, compared to a box of chrome, you get 3 numbered cards and a numbered autograph. And I got 2 numbered cards and 1 numbered autograph out of 5 in a box of jumbo chrome. And I've seen plenty of boxes that have none. Mazzara, Refractor. Andujar, rated rookie. We'll take it. JD Martinez. What a monster this guy is. How did it take him so long to get signed? I know every free agent was having trouble getting signed, but this guy is a freak. Chipper Jones. Long Ball, Justin Smoke. I think these are 1 per box, if I remember correctly. I might have made that up, though. Who knows? Chris Archer, Diamond Kings. Pirates gave up a lot to get him. That's kind of like a lot. Not that he's not a good pitcher, but his numbers have never really, I don't know. His numbers are not popping off the page good. Miguel Cabrera, Miggy. Year in review, Miguel Cabrera hits his 450th career home run. So we got 3 Miguel Cabreras to start off the box. I assume that unless they made some weird rookie throwback card, that's not going to be him. But look at that. Okay. I'm not trying to pronounce his name. We got our 3 Miggies, though. That's good. Gotta get your Miggies in. So this should have an auto in it too. If it doesn't, then we were shorted. But it looks like it sure does. Okay. Sorry, I keep turning the thing. Miguel Sano, Brendan Rodgers, rated prospect. Reese Hoskins, rated rookie. Catcher. Cameron Gallagher for the Royals. All right. Do this one off camera so I don't spoil it. Okay, so we start off this pack with an Ohtani rated rookie, which is cool. Syndergaard, Ian Happ, and here we go. Rated rookie. Is that Clint? That's cool. We'll take that hit. Clint Frazier, numbered to 125 auto. It's a pretty cool hit. Not a bad 2 boxes we broke in to start the day. Let's recap this one real quick. I should have made a numbered pile. We got our Ohtani. Altuve, numbered to 99. Reggie Jackson, numbered to 299. Out of This World, Ohtani. And then this is really nice. The rated prospect of Vlad Guerrero Jr., numbered to 99. And then our 2 autographs. Cam Gallagher for the Royals. And then a nice Clint Frazier, numbered to 125. Cool hit. All right, gonna get this cleaned up, and we will break into Chronicles.